Hello fam, thanks for being here today. In this visual story, we have this problem 22 to the power x minus 5 to the power x equals 459, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 459 into two numbers such as 27 times 17. Next, we are going to break down 27 into the summation of 22 plus 5 and express 17 as 22 minus 5. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to join the journey.